Video a little bit wrong side. I normally start off with something closed and then open it. I've already opened this one. So this is in fact a fan system for a rack. It's Tellabs, part number 8650-0414, serial numbers listed. It has a test and a status situation, and then the back of it you'd get this board was installed in the back here. I've taken it out and that will give you the power coming in here, alarms, dip switches for setting a high and low speed here, and then these are the fan contacts, which are those there. I'm taking it out to clean it and try to figure out basically what is positive and negative on this. It's a 48 volt system. This is typical with servers and that kind of communications type equipment. So I've just really tried to take this out and figure out how to connect it. I do have 48 volt power supplies as per a few videos previous. It's just a matter of figuring it out. I found a connector that works from our old transformer that fits in nicely there. So it's just a matter of figuring out which one and hopefully not blowing it. Overall, this has a cover that went on this side, and then on this side it's just a sheet metal chromate and these yellow coatings to avoid rusting. It is rusting slightly. I could of course just connect direct to these, the red and black, and get them to run full speed. So worst case, I can't figure this out or I blow it. I'm just gonna jump all those together, and essentially there's a positive and negative on this any which way, so I might as well just plug in, sort on to the positive, negative, put 48 volts and run it. It has some temperature settings on the back of this device. There's a little, basically a table, I'm trying not to throw that off, a table there that tells you how to set the speeds. Of course, that's only one of the dip switches. The other dip switch is not available. Those are the alarms I talk about, and high and low speed. But if you look at the position, that's one dip switch here, but there are in fact two sets of dip switches on this thing. One here and one there. This one is not accessible. So yeah, hopefully I'll get this to work. Hopefully at the end of this all I will be able to show it running. If not, I'll jump it one way or the other. I think I can get this running. It's now fully assembled again. Pretty much just put back in everything. I've figured out that the two end pieces, this and this, is negative, this and this is positive. They're both connected. I don't really need that much power. I haven't put on the alarm or tried any of the jumpers, but assuming that all works, taking the power supply. This is the same power supply from a few projects ago, a few videos ago, and yes, brilliant of them to do positive and negative same color. So I've cut those, put this through here. Not the most safe arrangement, but won't kill anybody. So positive, negative. Let's put it on and see how it goes. This is it on. You could hear the fans. You probably can't see them, but you can kind of see that one. So yep, it works. The front lights up and shows status green. No alarm, no tests, and no need to do that. Yes, it's directly on a surface and it's probably not the most efficient this way, but this was really just testing. So now I need to come up with a better system. I have a few of these power supplies, put this together, and now I have a perfectly good fan for who knows what.